If your Chevrolet Equinox is stalling at stoplights or idling roughly, the culprit is likely the variable valve timing solenoids. These two small components control the oil flow to your camshaft actuators and are notorious for failing on the 2.4-liter Ecotec engine. Replacing them is one of the easiest repairs you can do yourself, and it often clears check engine codes like P0010 or P0013. Before you start, make sure the engine is cool to the touch. You will only need a few basic tools for this job, specifically a 10mm socket and a flathead screwdriver. Pop the hood of your Equinox and locate the plastic engine beauty cover. Use your screwdriver to loosen the intake clamp and remove the oil fill cap so you can lift the cover straight up and off the engine. With the cover removed, you will see two cylindrical solenoids protruding from the top of the cylinder head near the air intake. The intake solenoid is situated toward the front of the vehicle and typically has a gray electrical connector. The exhaust solenoid is located right behind it and usually features a black connector. It is important not to mix these up during the installation process. Start by pressing the plastic tabs on the electrical connectors to unplug them. If they are stuck due to engine heat, a small screwdriver can help gently pry the locking tab. Once the wires are out of the way, use your 10mm socket to remove the single bolt holding each solenoid in place. These bolts are short, so be careful not to drop them into the engine bay. Now comes the part that requires a bit of muscle. Grip the top of the solenoid and twist it back and forth while pulling upward. The rubber O-rings can create a tight seal, especially if they have been in place for years. If the solenoid breaks or the screen stays behind, use a pair of needle nose pliers to carefully extract any remaining debris from the port. Take your new solenoids and compare them to the old ones to ensure they match in length and connector style. Before sliding them in, dip your finger in some clean engine oil and lubricate the new rubber O-rings. This ensures a proper seal and prevents the O-ring from tearing or binding when you press the new component into the cylinder head. Push the new solenoids down firmly until they are flush with the engine surface. Reinstall the 10mm bolts and tighten them until they are snug, but do not over-tighten as the threads in the aluminum head can strip easily. Plug the gray connector back into the intake solenoid and the black connector into the exhaust solenoid until you hear them click. Place the engine cover back on, tighten the intake clamp, and replace your oil fill cap. Start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes to allow the new solenoids to synchronize with the computer. If your check engine light was on, you may need to drive the vehicle for a few miles or use a scan tool to clear the remaining codes.